I'm Nathan and I'm going to show you my very first toy review. I'll give you Operation first, and there's something weird about this. Okay, here's it out of the box, and look, there's no place to hold it. Yeah, they can't make it go any farther. You might need the little tweezers to get it out. And when you put them in, I'll show you something. Then I'll show you something that's sure. And as you can see, the star can't be right next to the nose, and the bug can't be next to the other side of the ear. They had to put it right there. And this. Okay, I'm gonna need the little tweezers to get the rest out. You don't need that yet. Seriously, they could have had it open a little bit more. Nope, they were like, it's not going to get stuck right behind there. Okay, finally, all he left is a Joker. Finally, now we can start it. Yeah. They could have had it like, I don't know, something else. Yes, they have a farting. And yet, this is definitely the worst game ever created by Hasbro. But yet, people continue to buy it. This is a failed toy.